Hello everyone, welcome to Listack Edu Software. So for today, I'm going to be teaching you how to upload assignments and projects to the school portal. So first, we are going to go to the assignment and projects menu. And we are going to click on add new record. So for the assignment and project title, I'm going to make use of how to make use of water. And for the assignment slash project content, I'm going to be choosing water. So the next one is upload documents slash files. Please make sure when you're uploading your document or files, you make sure it's correct. Always make sure you cross-check so you don't upload the wrong document for the wrong subject. So I'm going to be choosing a payment receipt. This is a test run, so I don't have a book ready. So I'm going to be choosing this. So for the assignment subject, since it's related to water, I'm going to choose a subject that is related to water. So let me make use of basic science. So for the assignment slash project term, I'm going to be using first term. An assignment slash project session, I'm going to be using 2025/2026. And for the assignment slash project class, I'm going to make use of GSS1. An assignment slash project teacher, since this, let me change the name to my name. Let me just retype what I cleared out earlier. I cleared it out so everyone can know that this particular field is editable. It's for imputing the assignment slash project teacher's name. So that is why I had to clear the previous one and typed another one so everyone can understand this particular section in the page. So the next one is assignment slash project date. So this particular part is not editable. As you can see, it's showing gray, meaning you don't have access to it. So we are just going to leave this the way it is and go to the next one, which is submission date. For the submission date, I'm going to be using 24th of July 2025. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to click submit. You can see it said successfully completed. So if you want to edit or you want to delete it, just go to this part of the page where there's a plus sign, this blue sign here. Then you click on it and you scroll down. Then you're going to see edit or delete action buttons. So the one I'm going to show you first is the edit part. So I'm going to click on it. You can see all what I've done, what I just uploaded is still there. And please, before I forget, please make sure all these parts are showing green. It's not showing red, because if it's showing red, it's not going to get uploaded. If it's showing red, it means that there's a particular spot you're missing. I need to go back and correct it. But since I make sure I input every necessary field, that's why it's showing green. Then since I'm done with my edits, I've seen that everything I've done, I wrote is correct. I'm going to just leave it, or I just click submit. Either way you want to do it. For me, I'm just going to leave it like that. And I'm also going to go to that same blue part that has the cross sign. I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to show you how to delete. So we are going to come where they have the edit and delete. So I'm going to click delete. Then you see cancel, yes, then delete. You can see successfully deleted. So that is it, guys. That is how to upload assignments and projects to the school portal. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Bye.